Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Edge Bitcoin Wallet app on your Android phone. So yes, let's get started. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. Now tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the search bar at the top, type Edge Bitcoin Wallet or just Edge Wallet and hit search. You will see the app listed with the name Edge Bitcoin and Cryptocurrency Wallet. It is developed by Edge Wallet Inc. Now tap on it and then hit install button. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs on your device. Once installed, tap open to launch the Edge Wallet app. You will land on the welcome screen where you can either create a new account or log in if you already have one. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the Edge Bitcoin Wallet on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and tap the notification bell for more crypto app tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.